Connect the power line to the power supply terminal of the variable frequency power source panel. The variable frequency power source should be grounded. The excitation transformer should be grounded. The voltage divider should be grounded. The output of the variable frequency power source is connected to the input of the excitation transformer. Select the appropriate terminal for the high voltage output of the excitation transformer and connect it to the input of the reactor. The first and last ends of the reactor are connected in series. Ten reactors in series are divided into two parts. Connect the high voltage output of the first part to the input of the second part. The base of the second part should be kept at a certain height to prevent discharge to the ground. The second part is also in series. The reactor output is connected to the voltage divider. The signal output of the voltage divider is connected to the voltage divider terminal of the variable frequency power source panel.